If you're using Puppet in your work, sometimes you need to write code for module. And then today we're talking about two tools using for Puppet, maybe make your life easier. Without tools, it is still okay, but with the tools, much easier. One is the PDK, another one called Puppet-lint. I will tell you where you find it, where's the information about this, everything, how to install it, and simply how to use it. Let's start. The location we'll go to get information is Puppet.com. Puppet.com, you're going to find the information about everything there for Puppet. One is we're looking for is PDK. Development module with the PDK, right? So generally it gives some idea how they do, but the PDK package here indicated, right? There's two things we're going to do is PDK and the Puppet-lint. PDK is the one for testing module and module class, something like that. You can find information here how to install it. Here's the installation instruction for each different platform. We're looking for it is Linux. So under Linux, of course, you have many different versions, but one of them we're looking for will be the Red Hat. The Red Hat Linux have version till 6, 7, 8. Since I'm installed 7, so I'm looking for RHEL7. Here's a command you're going to use to install it. The install is very easy. Yeah. You copy and paste the command in the window, and then just running it. It's a Puppet.com. Yes, right. It's the tools. Okay. Install down very soon. And then you install the PDK. My system is a little bit slow, so some systems install really quick. Type yes. So 1.18. Go back to PDK is standard for Puppet Developer 2 and Kit. Okay, installation is done. Then the next one we're looking for information is the Puppet-lint. You type Puppet-lint GEM. That is where you'll find it. rubygm.org. All of the information will be under documentation. In documentation, you can see here, they indicate very clear the Puppet-lint is just for your language style. Validate only code style, but does not validate in syntax. For syntax, you have to use the Puppet parser validate command. The install is easy. Gem install Puppet-lint. Underneath here is the information about what is the Puppet-lint can do. Is say it's the details like it's find the spacings, the white space, quoting, capitalization, resource, condition, classes. So if you needed something, you just look into it. Let's go to server to install it. Install is easy to copy the command there, gm install Puppet-lint. Now it is installed. So we try to find information how to do it, right? So usually on the server, just type, say PDK --help. It will have a page. From the page, you got information how to install it. PDK new module, give the name like test. Okay. And then here's the username. If you have, say, something you put on the Puppet Forge, you can put there, but doesn't matter. You put selected platform, okay, yes. Now, if you see underneath the create test, the test, if you go to the test, you will find actually to create all the relations between the folders and also file. Here is to give you the architecture for module, right? This module manifest, if you see nothing there, if you see the file directory, nothing there. If you see spec and also the date, those directory, the directory generally, so you have not created anything yet. And then it gives you the architecture for this module, so you can put in your code in the right location. That's what is the PDK did. So next, using Puppet-lint to see same thing, --help, you'll find all the information what you needed, but it's too many. And then now let's try to see simply how can we use it or create one file. For example, Nano, install Nano. Nano is actually like VI is editor. Create a very simple class. Go this way. Right. That is under your test manifest directory. So you use Puppet-lint to pass the code. That's under this directory. So you see, okay, give you out the arrow. Number 2, there's something there, syntax arrow. Okay, let's look into it to see what it is. Manifest install nano.pp. Line 2. Oh, I guess what happened is Nano is this is not right. It's not really Linux one. We replace it to see what happened. Quotation. Another one will replace 2. There's an arrow must be because we have 2. Yes, same thing. So do it again. Yeah, remove the quotation mark. See what happened. Okay. It tell you to you remember the white space. They cannot allot there. But actually, it doesn't matter. But for the better thing to do is to just remove it. One line by line. Oh, this is not the one. Okay, see, do it again, see what happened. Yeah, still complaining about the white space on the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's just trading white space. Let's change it. Okay, that's it. Okay, nano install not in the load module. Okay, this one is sometimes you set, but in this case, another thing we can do is we can bypass this information, because in the Puppet-lint you have a lot of options you can use to bypass different things if you want this kind of things inside. Say, still put common there is nano. Do it again. Okay. Now we see, okay, now in the auto load module, same thing, the number 2. So actually, it's number 2 is not really the issue here. What we can do is we can use the bypass this auto things. Here's how can we do it. In the help, you can find a lot of way you can bypass everything you wanted. Dash help. You grab start with no. Yeah, anything start with no. Okay, here is the parameter you can use to bypass it. And looking for auto. Yes. So we can do the same thing. Puppet check manifest installation nano. So there's no any, because you're bypassing, you do not have any error. So next one we're going to show you why we did this, right? Because this one is set is not really check syntax for you. If you try to find what's wrong with the syntax, so you have to use a different command. Then it called parser validate. Okay, set could not parser for environment production. Oh, I know what we did. We put a node there. Let's see, just a minute. Cat this file. I think it would put node there. Yeah, that's what I did before, called node default chart to indicate which node to go. So let's separate it. We put in the node.bp. Copy it, just copy paste. Remove everything inside. This is for node default because we try to deploy on the other node. But in this node we using include nando install. Yeah. That's it pretty much. Save it. Modify another file. Installation nano.pp. We remove the node information. Node default, remove it. So just like before. Nano is wrong. Yeah, no R. Okay, let's do it again. Check the validate. Okay, see there's no issue with the file. Both file are fine. And we check the parser to pass to validate the syntax to see what happened. It should be fine now. Yeah. Okay. So today we already show you. So there's two tools you can use in your life. Make it easier. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.